All right, look. So we finna roll the dice and see which toy we get. I want to get that one, and I want to get that one, and then I want to get that one. That's fact. Let's see if we get any of the ones I want. First one I want. It's going to my sister. Yeah, Mickey. All right. For two so far. Oh, I could. That's the one we needed. That's right. All right, cooked. I'm 2 for 3. Let's go. I went 3 for 4. Good luck. It's your turn.
The genie one, Aladdin, or what's the other one you got? The Mickey.
He's gonna go 0 for 4. Big person. Oh yeah, let's see. Bro, it's not cooking. So what'd you go? 0 for 3. And that's how the cookie crumbles. He goes 0 for 3, I go 3 for 4.